I was just proving to you guys about that, and I also made a new movie, though. Check it out. Check out. She's not scared. Scammer. And I know how to say what to do. Oh, yeah. And I was going to. Oh, wait, no. What was I about to do? Daddy, mommy, it's the birthday. So. Scammer. Oh, yeah, and check out my new movie. Scammer. Oh, yeah, check out my new so, yeah, so you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this video uploaded to YouTube, but thank you guys so much for watching this video because that girl doesn't scam if you guys watch Trade with her, so yeah.